nice I am to the skidder operators. How I just lay these drags out all organized. Oh, I think I just hurt my arm patting myself on the back there. Oh. Yeah, you can tell I'm being a little sarcastic, but yeah, I just lay it all out along the side hill so he has access. I'm driving back to the far back corner here. I got a couple acres yet to mop up, but I thought it was kind of neat. All the drags are organized diagonally up the hill, funneled to come back to the landing here. I'm trying to decide if this is gonna work or not. I'm finally gonna do a GoPro video from inside the cab. We'll see if the battery lasts very long on it. That's one of my bigger complaints on the GoPro. The battery is terrible. And driving in a track machine is terrible too, because there's a lot of rattling and jarring. I'm trying to watch my phone right now to see what the camera sees. It doesn't look too bad. Got a little sun shining on the window. I'm trying to use the saw head to create a shadow there. But more drags along the road here. Side hill. And no, I haven't been drinking. I don't drink. Not very often. Very rarely. Can't even imagine what I'd act like if I did. Oh, I know what I was going to say. I just reached 300 subscribers. That was pretty cool. And I was going to try to remember the guy's name that just subscribed, and I completely forgot. Doggone it. I wonder if I can... Yeah, I probably can't find it. But anyway, whoever just subscribed, thank you very much. Appreciate it. We've had a lot of new subscribers jump on board here. I gained, I was at 200 just a few days after the first year. It's just into the beginning of February here, and I just passed 300. So in the last 5 weeks, we'll say, I gained 100, which is pretty spectacular for me. I guess the other thing that just happened, or is about to happen, is I'm going to pass or reach another milestone. I'm going to reach that 100,000 views, which is a pretty big milestone for me. I know, again, you know, it's all on scale. Big YouTubers laugh at that, but for my little channel, that's pretty good. Pretty pleased with that. I broke another little milestone. I had 50,000 minutes of watch time in the last 28 days. Thought that was pretty awesome too. Alright, so this is where my trail goes across. There's a little drainage, intermittent stream right here. It's very prominent right there. Boy, this is awkward trying to look at your phone and try to point. Now I know what a weatherman feels like. But I'm going back here because I've got to cut this stuff up here. So I'm on the way back there. Finish the high ground stuff. I got to thin this ash, and I've got to cut a little black spruce yet. This is a little crossing here. It's very rock hard. I see a lot of deer crossed it over through the night, or on Sunday, I guess, too. They probably could have crossed it yesterday. Because today is Monday morning. Alright. Well, I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for all the subscribers. Thanks for watching.